Yo, JBlanked here. You finally got your hands on a FlipperZero. Awesome, but I've got to tell you, if you're just using it straight out of the box, you are barely scratching the surface of what this little beast can do. You might think the default firmware is the whole package, but the real power, that's unlocked by the massive community of developers building custom apps. In this video, I'm showing you 3 essential apps that will take your Flipper from a cool toy to a tool you'll actually use every single day. We're covering lightning fast automation, a full-blown multiplayer game, and even a social network built right into your device. Ready to see what your Flipper is really made of? Let's get into it. First up, an app that streamlines one of the Flipper's most powerful features, FastJS. If you use your Flipper for running JavaScript-based tasks, this is a game changer. Normally, you have to go to apps and then scripts and then find your file and then run it. FastJS throws all that out the window. It lets you create a playlist of your favorite scripts and then run them one after another instantly. Think about it. Instead of navigating through menus every single time you want to run a sequence of tasks, you load them into a FastJS playlist once. The best part, you can set FastJS as one of your favorite apps mapped to a shortcut button. This means you can press a single button from the home screen to execute an entire series of custom scripts. It turns complicated multi-step processes into a one-click action. This is not just a quality of life improvement, it's an automation powerhouse that makes you ridiculously efficient. Next, we have an app that proves the Flipper is so much more than a simple multi-tool. FlipWorld. This isn't just a mini game. It's a 2D open world multiplayer game running on your Flipper. You can create a character, level up by fighting enemies, gain experience points, and interact with other players and NPCs all on that tiny screen. The whole point is pure, unexpected fun. You connect your Flipper to Wi-Fi, log in, and you're suddenly sharing a game world with other Flipper users. Your character has stats like health and strength that increase as you level up, so you can explore the world, take on enemies, and even team up with others. What's more, your FlipWorld account is linked with other community apps like FlipSocial, so your friends and profile are synced between them. It's a perfect example of the community turning this device into something nobody expected. A portable, multi-game gaming machine. If you're already thinking about what username to pick in FlipWorld, do me a solid and hit that like button. And if you want to keep leveling up your tech game, make sure you're subscribed. The final app on our list takes the community spirit to its logical conclusion and connects users directly. FlipSocial. Believe it or not, this app is the first social media app platform built specifically for the FlipperZero. It turns your device into a pocket-sized social hub for connecting with other Flipper enthusiasts. Using a Wi-Fi connection, FlipSocial lets you do almost everything you'd expect from a social app. You can create a profile, post messages to a public feed, comment on other posts, and even flip a post, which is their version of a like. You can also find and add friends and send direct messages. To get around the challenge of typing with a D-pad, this app has a clever system for pre-saving custom messages you can post quickly. This app is more than just a neat trick. It represents the ultimate expression of the Flipper community, creating a network to bring everyone closer together. And there you have it, 3 apps that will fundamentally change how you see your FlipperZero. With FastJS, you can become an automation machine, blasting through script playlists in seconds. With FlipWorld, you can turn your pocket tool into a portal to a shared gaming universe. And with FlipSocial, you can join a social network of fellow creators and explorers, tapping into the Flipper's true connected power. By installing apps like these, you're not just adding features, you're embracing the creativity of the entire Flipper community. Your device is a scripting tool, an online gaming console, and a social connector all in one. What's the one Flipper app you can't live without? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new tools to check out. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.